Good morning, all my dear students. Our summer vacation.
Girls, let's know how we can work in MS Paint. So, to open MS Paint, we have to click on Start button, then All Program, then we have to click on Accessories. List will appear. We have to click on Paint. Today we are going to draw LUDO board. So, firstly we'll make it zoom out, and then we'll select shape, rectangle, and we'll create a rectangular shape. Please keep in mind that the length and breadth should be equal. Like here I am taking 2000 and 2000 as length and breadth. After that we'll again select rectangle shape and we'll create a rectangle of 500.4. Done. Now I will select rounded rectangle shape and will create a rounded rectangle over here. Now we'll select oval shape and we'll create an oval over here. Now we'll do selection of this oval. We'll copy it and paste it. Again we'll copy and do pasting. Again we'll do paste. We can use shortcut key Ctrl+V for paste and Ctrl+C for copy. Now we'll just check it's perfect or not by doing zoom in. It's perfectly alright. So now again we'll do selection. Of this particular shape. We'll copy it and paste it to the other side. Again we'll do pasting. Again we'll do pasting. Like this only. Now we'll select rectangle shape and we'll draw a rectangle like this. We'll select line tool from shape and we'll create 5 straight line. First, second, third, fourth, and last one, fifth. And vertically we will divide it into 3 parts. First and second. Now we'll do selection of this. We'll copy it by clicking on copy button. We can use Ctrl+C shortcut key combination also. When do we'll paste. We'll paste it here. Again we'll paste it. Now we'll rotate it Rotate left 90 degree. We can increase its little. Again paste. Selection tool, rectangle tool, selected. Line tool. Draw diagonal. Now we'll select fill tool and we'll select orange color. And fill here. Select yellow color and fill like this. Red color. If you'll make some mistake, then you'll use Ctrl+Z to do undo. Now select green color and fill like this. Select blue color. Now select black color and select 5-point stars from shape. Draw this kind of a star. Done. Here I forgot to fill blue color. So again we'll select blue. Fill over here. Now I'll select text tool and select this area. We'll write only in bold letter. We'll select black color to write the text. LUDO, LUDO. Enter. HOME, home. Now again we'll go to home, select text tool and write your name with bold and italic font. Because my name is Nazia, so I'll write Nazia's, N-Z-I-A, Nazia, apostrophe S, Nazia's, Ludo, both. In this way, we can perform our task. We can see this in full screen. So we have to click on View tab, then full screen, You can see your work. Press escape key to go back.
Thank you girls for watching the video.